Hello dear friends, this is my first video for quick Flutter training. Today I want to show you how to create a Flutter project in Visual Studio Code. We will also create our first app in Flutter. If you have not yet installed Flutter, you can install it using the official Flutter site guide. After installing Visual Studio Code and Flutter, open Visual Studio Code and use Ctrl+Shift+P keys to create a new Flutter project in a custom directory. You see the code of the first default Flutter program. We run the Android emulator and wait for it to load. After the emulator loads, we run the default program. You can see that the program is working properly. Now we delete the default codes and write our own program instead. Now run the program to see the result. Our program run properly. Do not worry about the details of the code written. You will learn them all in the following videos.